I was just watching this video on Facebook. This is from Curly Tales, and this is a couple who was giving an excellent advice. I think uh, nobody ever gave me this advice, but this is an excellent advice that I have got that I'm going to share. This gentleman says, create 10 source of income. Create 10 source of income and aim for not only getting a bigger chunk from one job, because that will never happen. That will never happen. So you have to manage your time accordingly, that you can be smart enough to create those 10 source of income within that time frame. I really liked his advice, and I think I will definitely follow this advice. Um, with these 5.5 years that I have gone through, so much I have changed in my value system. Uh, Now I have to really be more practical rather than being more emotional. Because when you are totally going with your heart and soul, people tend to abuse you. People tend to abuse you completely, no matter what boundaries they have to cross. So for me, today's gyan is create 10 source of income. Change your old methodologies, change your old thinking, and run as per people are running. Although I cannot go below the belt, I will not do anything which is unethical. I will not rip off anybody's life to make myself big. I will not create an empire over degrading somebody's life. I will explore those 10 source of income wherein I can start making my living. Though those people who are stealing my content, ripping off my life online, making money, multi-trillion, billion dollars, and making partners in crime, I think they have given the biggest cunning example to the society. And I do not know how the future generation is going to take that as an example, but I will still stand by with my philosophy in terms of go big, but do not compromise on your values. You should definitely make a lot of money by exploring more avenues, and be smart, not put in all your energy doing one job and follow the traditional ways. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Go big, make good amount of money, and have right kind of people around you that will cherish you, that will appreciate you, that will create a positivity in you. Anyone who is a hypocrite, who is a diplomatic, who is playing around people's life, making money over it, I do not have any feeling for those people. But the only thing is, I have to strategize myself in a different way so that no emotions come in my way to take myself up there in that ladder.